Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest tech gadgets on the market. Today, we've got something truly special lined up for you gamers out there. The LG UltraGear 45GR75DC gaming monitor. Let's jump right into it. Now, when it comes to gaming monitors, size matters, and the UltraGear 45GR75DC certainly doesn't disappoint. Boasting a massive 45-inch curved screen, this monitor fills your peripheral vision with a stunning 5120 by 1440 pixel image. That's right. You heard me correctly, 5120 by 1440. Talk about immersive gaming. But size isn't the only thing this monitor has going for it. Running at a blazing fast 200Hz refresh rate with adaptive sync technology, HDR600 support, and a wide gamut of colors, the UltraGear 45GR75DC delivers a gaming experience like no other. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA titles or engaging in fast-paced multiplayer action, this monitor keeps up with the action without missing a beat. Now, let's talk setup. Assembling the UltraGear 45GR75DC is a breeze, thanks to its sturdy stand and simple design. Once you've got it set up, you'll appreciate the ergonomic adjustments it offers, including height, tilt, and swivel options. Plus, with a sleek, borderless design, this monitor looks fantastic on any gaming setup. But let's get down to what matters: picture quality. With its VA panel technology, the UltraGear 45GR75DC delivers deep blacks, vibrant colors, and excellent contrast. And with a peak brightness of over 800 nits in HDR mode, you'll experience stunning visuals that truly pop off the screen. Of course, a gaming monitor is only as good as its performance, and the UltraGear 45GR75DC doesn't disappoint. With a lightning-fast 1 millisecond response time and superb overdrive, motion blur is virtually non-existent, even during the most intense gaming sessions. With support for both FreeSync and G-Sync, tearing and stuttering are a thing of the past. But wait, there's more. The UltraGear 45GR75DC also offers a range of additional features to enhance your gaming experience, including USB-C connectivity, a headphone jack with DTS headphone, X support for immersive audio, and a customizable OSD for fine-tuning your display settings to perfection. So, what's the verdict? The LG UltraGear 45GR75DC is a powerhouse gaming monitor that ticks all the right boxes. With its stunning picture quality, lightning-fast performance, and plethora of features, it's a serious contender for anyone in the market for a premium gaming display. And with a price tag starting at $900, it's a premium product that's worth every penny. That's all for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy gaming!